Good morning, students. This is Hasna Sukla, and today we are going to discuss chapter 2 polynomials. So, let us recall class ninth polynomial. So, first of all, what is the degree of polynomial? The degree of polynomial means the maximum power, the maximum index of variable present in the polynomial is defined as the degree of polynomial. For example, see 7u power 6, 3 by 2 u power 4, 4u square plus u minus 8. U is the variable which involved in that polynomial. So the degree of this polynomial is 6. Why? Because the maximum index is 6. So if we ask us some questions, what is the polynomial of degree of the zero polynomial? So 0 polynomial means 0. So degree of the 0 polynomial is undefined, because if we say 1 2 3, so everything is the degree of 0 polynomial. That's why it is not certain. So we can say that the degree of the polynomial 0 polynomial is undefined. Now some types of polynomial here. Linear polynomial. What is the linear polynomial? The polynomial in which degree of the polynomial is 1 is known as linear polynomial, and quadratic polynomial having degree 2 is defined as quadratic polynomial, same as cubic polynomial, in which degree of polynomial is 3 is defined as the cubic polynomial. So this is the introduction. If you see, there are some questions, examples are given. So see, what is the zeros of the polynomial? So zeros of the polynomial is nothing but the value of the variable involved in the polynomial which satisfy the particular polynomial is defined as the zeros of the polynomial. For example, suppose we have given a polynomial px is equal to 3x square minus x square minus 3x minus 4. So whatever the value of x satisfy in that this polynomial is known as the degree of zeros of the polynomial. Suppose x is equal to 2, so put the 2 here, px2 square minus 3 to 2 minus 4, and this is minus 6. The value is minus 6. That's why it is not a zeros of the polynomial. So what is the zero of the polynomial? Whatever the value of the variable satisfy the particular equation, particular polynomial. So suppose k, x is equal to k is the value which satisfy the given polynomial, then k is known as the zeros of the polynomial. Let us see, if x square minus 3x plus 2, this is the polynomial px, then if we put x is equal to 2, then p2 is equal to 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2, and it becomes 0. Hence we can say x is equal to 2 is the zeros of this polynomial. Now how many zeros of a quadratic, cubic, whatever polynomial we have? So number of degree is equal to the number of zeros. If a polynomial having degree is 1, then number of zeros of that polynomial is 1. If it is a quadratic polynomial, that is degree is 2, then the number of polynomial is 2. If the degree is 3, that is cubic polynomial, then the number of zeros are 3. Similarly, if degree of the polynomial is 9, then is n, then number of zeros are n. So we can say the degree of the polynomial is equal to the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, so let us see the introduction, and tomorrow we shall discuss the geometrical meaning of the zeros of the polynomial. And it's my request, you have to go through class 9th book and see what is the polynomial and division of polynomial, what were given, you can do. Thank you.